Using hydrogen peroxide on your plants too often can actually kill them. But not using it enough might be why they're dying in the first place. If you've been pouring hydrogen peroxide on your plants every week because someone online told you to, you might be doing more harm than good. Today I'm breaking down exactly how often you should use it and when you shouldn't use it at all. Hydrogen peroxide (OXO) is basically water with an extra oxygen molecule. When it breaks down, it releases oxygen into the soil. That extra oxygen can kill harmful bacteria and fungi, help roots breathe in compacted or overwatered soil, and reduce root rot. It helps roots breathe in compacted or overwatered soil and reduce root rot. But here's the catch. It doesn't know the difference between good microbes and bad ones. It can kill both. This is where most people mess up. Using hydrogen peroxide too often can destroy beneficial soil microbes, can also dry out roots and stress your plant instead of helping it. Think of it like medicine. It's helpful in the right dose, harmful if you overdo it. Here's the real answer based on how you're using it. For root rot or overwatering issues, use it once every 5 to 7 days until the plant improves, then stop. For fungus gnats, use it once a week for 2 to 3 weeks, then let the soil recover. For general plant health, honestly, you shouldn't be using it regularly at all. Healthy soil doesn't need it. For seed sterilizing or occasional treatment, use it once, then rinse or follow up with normal watering. Always dilute it. The safest common mix is 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide, 3 to 4 parts water. Anything stronger can burn roots. Do not use hydrogen peroxide if your plant is already healthy. Do not use it if your soil is dry and well rated, or if you're using beneficial microbes or fertilizers. You'll cancel out the good stuff you're trying to build. If your plant keeps needing hydrogen peroxide, the real issue isn't solved. It's usually overwatering, poor drainage, or wrong soil. Fix that, and you won't need peroxide at all. If this saved your plant, hit like and subscribe. And if you've been using hydrogen peroxide every watering, comment "Stop right now." I want to see how many people were doing this wrong.